Hi everyone, Hannah here. I hope that y'all are having a great Saturday. I wanted to show you how I'm going to do a couple of page spreads here on our May-June Mixed Media Junk Journal. So I had an idea of doing kind of a collage, but it's going to be on a smaller scale, because there's parts of the pages that I want it to show up, but the parts that I don't, I'm going to cover those up. So I'll just lay down some different journaling cards and different pieces of paper that I'll just tear up and glue down. So, and this will just kind of give you an idea of how you can make a collage spread in your journal. So now I want to take one of the book pages that I tore out whenever we thinned our book, and I want to make, basically a fold-out envelope page. So I'm just putting it together, just kind of folding it up to make it look like an envelope. And then I'll tuck that into one of the journaling cards. I had just glued the inside edges of it, so that way I could just tuck this right in there. And so then what I'm going to do here on the journaling card with the sailboat, I thought I would just kind of tuck something behind there too. But this one's a little bit tall, sticking out a little too much. So I'm just going to just kind of tear up some of the sides, and that way it'll fit in there a little bit better. I liked the title on the page, something inspirational, motivational, encouraging. So, and another option, I'm basically just going to scale this down to size. I didn't like the envelope sticking out that much, so I'm going to make a smaller version of the envelope. And how you know how much to cut off, you just kind of fold the corners together, and then whatever gap is, that's how much you need to tear off. That way it will fold flush with the bottom part, that you're folding up to make look like the envelope. So, and that'll make a cute little envelope, and you know, just tuck it right behind there. So I like that much better. So an idea I have for this one is just taking a book page, folding it in half. I cut out a little piece of the journaling card, and I'm going to glue that down to where it's going to be kind of like a little flap, and I'm, you know, use that, you know, just to open up the little book. So now what I want to do is add kind of like a little mini pad of papers. So I took, I think it was 3 sheets, you know, 3 book pages. I'm going to fold them in half. That way I can get a good crease line, and I'll just cut right in the half, you know, right down the half there. And then I'm gonna just tear right down the middle here. I was gonna cut it, and then I was like, no, I kind of want that torn look. So, and then I'm just going to put it back in the book, and I'm just gonna staple it, and it'll be just kind of like a little mini pad, you know. And as far as these papers go, I can paint over them if I want to cover up the words. And I'm going to cover up the staples with just a piece of the book paper, you know, just tear it to size, and I'm just going to glue that right over the staples. I got this idea from, I had received it in a swap, you know, where you can make your own, kind of like a little mini pad of paper. And so I thought, well, you know, I'm going to implement this into the journal, and so I really like that. And to cover up the staples on this side, I'm just going to take some washi tape and just go right over it. And this is just some washi tape that I had in my stash. Every once in a while, I'll go to Tuesday Morning, and sometimes you can find some Tim Holtz washi tape for a pretty good price. So see, that works perfect. And like I said, you can cover over the page if you don't want the words. You can just paint over them. And I'm just going to tape this little booklet down on the back side. Just going to add some more washi tape and just go ahead and tape that right down. So now what I thought I would do is take some of the tissue paper and just cut out a couple of the images from it, and I'm going to glue that down on this other page. That way it has, you know, something going on with it as well. And I thought, you know, this, you know, picture of the map, and then just this other little image here, that it kind of matches with the washi tape and just kind of the overall theme of the book, you know, just, you know, traveling, you know, summer vacations, you know, I just really like, I just really like that theme. So I'm going to go ahead and just glue that down. And then that will be pretty much it for this tutorial. I just wanted to show y'all a couple of ideas that I had rolling around in my head for this journal. And I'll be back soon with another video with a couple of page spreads as well. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much for watching.